Mac has 4 cups. I mean, Mac has 4 hats.
Hats, good girl. Proud of you.
So beautiful.
All right, let's show Aunt Crystal how you can read.
The are
Wait, hold on. What's this word?
dots.
Dot, good girl.
Has
Very good.
5. Oh. Dots has 5 cups. Pots.
Pots, good girl.
Would say cups, but
Look, you can read. I'm proud of you.
can you send one to William?
Sure.